Good afternoon, everybody. This is Bob Iacchino from Path Trading Partners, along with my co-founder, Mike Arnold. It is September 5th. We've got a little bit of recovery in the cryptocurrencies after the sell-off that Mike was showing you yesterday. We got some pretty good targets that played out. So let me turn it over to Mike. This is a cryptocurrency path educational update covering Litecoin and Dash. So having said that, let me turn it over to Mike to show you what he is seeing on the charts. Mike, it's all yours.
Thank you, Bob. Dash, US dollar, quick update. Came down. Remember these levels on the 4-hour chart too, we're reviewing there, but these were for the double top that was triggered on the 4-hour. And you can see how well they played out, hitting about the 295 level there, then the 279 level here before rallying up. Now, as we rally back, key things we're watching for is a retest of the 340 level. Then we have major resistance coming in about 345 to 355. Switching over to that 4-hour chart, you can see how those levels played out. You can see the double top with the trigger, the pullback, which did not stop it out, then running down to those levels. We were not treating this as a short, though. We were just looking for buying opportunities at those levels, which are now completed. What we really need to do is get a close on this 4-hour above this, around this 330 mark, which would put us above the trend line and the declining 21 EMA. Then we'll be targeting that 340 where we have the declining 50 period exponential moving average and a prior breakdown zone. And if we get above that, we'll be watching for the 356 level. Switching over to Litecoin, you can see we came down, tested the lower end of the rotation zone. A prior level, the full measured move, the 61.65 level, and the 0.625 Gann retracement level. Now we are moving back up. Let's see what that looks like on the 4-hour. This is also triggering. Let me clean up some of these levels so we can see this better. This is also going to trigger on a close above this high of 72.24. If we do, we're triggering both a trendline trade and a double bottom trade. The double bottom targets 77.61, then 80.29, and the target for the trendline trade is 78.59. So those are key things you can watch for on this continued rally back. We're holding above the rotation zone. If we can rally up and get the first cross of the rotation zone, then that will become support. There is going to be some prior resistance also at the 76.18, which is a prior major breakdown level before we made the last lows on this sell-off. So those are key things you're going to want to watch for in Litecoin. Turning it back over to you, Bob.
Thanks for that, Michael, and thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next Path Chat. Cheers, everyone.